Hi hippies, welcome back. My name is Courtney Shavante if you are new here, and today I'm just going to be pouring a couple keychain molds here, nothing too big. And I just want to talk about building community and how similar it is to dating. The first similarity is putting yourself out there. No one is going to know who you are if you're hidden away somewhere and you're not socializing with others. It's very important to, get out there and make as many connections as possible so you can see, what actually sticks. And then from what actually sticks, you can kind of go from there. The second thing that kind of ties into number one is just really being yourself. Give people the opportunity to really know who you are and don't try to put up a front. Like, just be authentic, and you can't really do that unless you know who you are. So, definitely make sure you are taking that time to explore yourself, figure out your likes and dislikes, so that way you can properly communicate that to people and, put up the necessary boundaries as well. So the third similarity that I found was just not taking things personally. You have to really understand that not everyone is going to be interested in you, and that's completely okay. We're building a community full of like-minded individuals. And if we weren't building a community, then we'd be shouting to everyone, right? So that's the difference between a community and just speaking out loud to anyone who will possibly listen. Start looking at rejection as redirection and protection. The reason these three things overlap is because at the end of the day, this is all about building genuine relationships and establishing true connections. So really pour into that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you've made it all the way to the end, make sure you leave me some purple hearts down in the comments. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope I can continue to support you and motivate you. Catch you later. XO. Mwah.